Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D clustered column chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add 3D clustered column chart. At first, select My Data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the column or bar chart drop down menu. Now we can see here the 3D clustered column chart. Now I am select this. Then we can see we make a 3D clustered column chart easily. You can format this chart. Otherwise you can change the layout of the chart. Select the chart, go to the chart design menu. We can see here many chart option. You can add anything. We can see here many style. Now I am select this. Now we can see we add a 3D clustered column chart easily. You can change the color. Go to the design menu and change the color of the chart. Now we can see we add 3D clustered column chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.